Mr. Amorim,
Hi.
greetings from Slovenia.
Slovenia.
And let us say,
How is the weather?
Obrigado por dedicar o seu tempo à nossa televisão.
Very good Portuguese.
Was
Very
it good?
Very good.
But of course you're not in Portugal anymore. We were just wondering, how are you adapting to life in England?
Fine. Busy. So you don't have time to see the city and to see anything else. So I'm focused on just on the job, and the job is really demanding, but really exciting. So it's like a 1 month, a busy 1 month that really enjoyable.
Yeah. It was really an abrupt change in your career, but it wasn't the first time, because when you went to Sporting, you were only briefly in Braga. Would you say you are a person who adapts very quickly to new circumstances?
Yes, I think the most important thing is that when I feel that is the right thing to do, there is no timing. So I felt that I had to do this. I prefer to risk it, and then for the second time I took a risk, and I'm really happy to do this choice.
Yeah. You already had to take some difficult decisions regarding the team. Would you say they were a surprise to you, or they were somehow expected?
No, I don't know. You cannot expect everything. I was expecting the job is really hard, is really demanding. That I was expecting. But then the decisions and what you are going to do depends of the team, what you see in training. So you expect one thing, but then you have to live it day by day.
What is also difficult is facing the English media and their questions, but you seem to be doing all right.
Yeah, of course you cannot tell everything to the media, but I try to be as honest as possible. So it becomes easier if you are telling the truth. No matter what, is easier for me.
How responsive do you feel the players are becoming to your footballing philosophy?
It's hard for them. It's a big difference, a lot of changes, but without time to train. And that is we as a staff arrived at the hardest point in the Premier League with the games in 3 days. So it's really hard for us, but it's really hard for the players. And then, as you know, here, no matter what the context, you have to win every game. So it's really hard for them.
Yeah. Would you say you have to also tackle the culture in the club?
I think it's something
the highest standards?
I think we have to address that as a club, and we are doing that. When every time I talk with Jim, with Dave, with Jason, we are in the same page. So we have to improve a lot of things here, and all the staff here around the club wants to improve, and everybody here knows that we are not at the level that we should be. So it's not just me that has to address that, it's all the club, and we are ready to do that.
You are now out of the League Cup, but would you still say that you can still challenge for trophies in your first season?
That is not the main focus. Of course, you want to win. That is really important for you as a club, and also for any coach. And when you are facing an opponent in Premier League or in a cup, you want to win it. So you are focused on winning. But our goal is to win again the Premier League. So you have to think about that. Not just the cups or the top 4. Our goal is to win the Premier League. So we just have to see how long it will take. But our goal is to win the Premier League.
And just the last question. Your next opponent is already the 4th Portuguese manager in the Premier League right now. You guys are hot?
Yeah, I think we love football. We have a good formation of coaches and players. So I'm happy to see that, but it's hard. I already lost against one. I have to win this one, so if not, it's going to be really hard for me.
Best of luck, Mr. Amorim, for your future work, and
Thank you,
happy
guys.
holidays also.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.